Chibuki. Bros.
Huh?
Hey, your beautiful Amara. She no come today.
Oh, Amara.
Amara.
She will come. She will come. Yeah.
You sure? Is everything okay? This one you're looking so moody and cloudy like a long cloud.
Everything is okay.
Chibuki. Well done. I won't buy bushmeat where Amara dey.
She's not yet back, yeah? You go and come back later.
Not yet back by this time. Is that why your face is like this?
Obiageria, he said that she is not yet back. What is your problem? Eh? Every time you come here, you carry your frustration. What is even wrong with you? She's not yet back. You did not say Amara. Am I Amara? Am I Amara?
You know they quarrel. Or let's say 2 of them quarrel. This one wait.
How they get up here?
This friendship, not forever, not forever. This our friendship, not forever. Hold my hands, I hold your hands. You be my joy forever. This friendship, not forever, not forever. This our friendship, not forever. Hold my hands, I hold your hands.
Greetings, Amara. Can we talk?
Greetings, Cheta. Go ahead.
What has my brother done to you that you don't want him to explain? Please, forgive him and don't punish his heart. Tomorrow, go to the shop and see him.
Sweet and wine enter the brain. Maya. When you drink his palm wine, you go forget all your sorrow.
Chibuki. Chibuki. What are you saying now? About what I've told you. Eh? You have to get married. Chibuki. What is keeping you? Eh? Amara is a good girl. Okay, why are you laughing, Kwano?
Mama. Mama, nobody said Amara is not a good girl. I never said so.
So what is it?
See, Mama, calm down. Eh? Mama, there is a way I want my wedding to be. Eh? I want to make so much money. So that by the time I now finally propose to Amara, Mama, everyone will be shut down. Mama, even Igbo Obodo go drink that day, drink. In Bele go full. Hey, you go no say na Chibai won't marry.
Get married. Look at me. Look at what I'm doing. Look at me. Eh? I need grandchildren running around this place. Chibuki.
Mama, you know, when you're talking about this marriage, it will be as if I don't want to marry. I understand you, Mama. See, let me tell you, Amara is a good girl. Eh? And she will make a very good wife and mother. Mama, wait, I am not done yet. See, Amara will fill here with grandchildren. In fact, they go suck her breast to the point that her breast cannot feed them again. They will even come and start sucking.
Let them suck.
Mama, they will not for you, Yakata.
My breast is still standing. Let them come and suck. Give me grandchildren.
Mama, don't worry.
Chibuki.
Mama, you too don't worry. Just calm down. I've told you. I will get married. I will consider that later. But now, Mama, you go. Mama, let me tell you. Do you know that this one I'm about to go
the
and
money
supply?
you are making now, without giving me children, who will come and eat those money?
Mama, don't worry. I will think about it. Mama, you see, I will be hustling, bringing money. You will be seeing money to cook all this so delicious food. Mama, don't worry. My belly.
Is it where my back is aching me to carry children?
Mama, don't worry. Mama, don't worry. When I return, we talk about it.
It's special.
For your Majesty. You're still awake?
Yes.
I'm so excited. I honestly cannot wait to see the prince tomorrow.
Thank you. You made a decision of staying behind. But you also need rest. For sure you'll see the prince tomorrow.
Thank you, Your Highness.
So you have to sleep.
I will.
Grab rest, okay?
Okay.
I'm in my room in case
Okay.
you need me.
Good night.
Thank you.
Brother, don't worry. I already explained everything to Amara.
You did?
Yes, I did.
What did she say?
She said she's going to see you tomorrow.
Are you kidding me?
No.
Chidachi,
Brother.
thank you so much. Thank you very I appreciate you.
Brother, anything for you. You know I can do anything for you.
Oh, I will say this is bribery and corruption.
Brother, why are you talking like that? Look, you're my best brother and I want to see you happy again. So tomorrow you people will link up. Yes, brother. But I just want to see you happy, smile again and all of that.
Hello, son. How are you? There is someone waiting eagerly to see you. It will be too early to let the cat out of the cage until you come. Same here. I can't wait to see you too. That's my son. Thank you. Bye. Alright. Wow. Wonderful. That's great. That's great.
You just missed her by the whiskers. She has left for the township.
Papa, let me then go, since she has left.
I am rushing to the palace. You know the prince arrives today.
The prince arrives today?
Yes. Let's meet there. The king will even invite you.
What are you doing? The plates are ready.
Yes, ma'am.
Make sure they are neat. I do not want my prince complaining, okay? What about the tomatoes?
Ma, they're ready.
They're ready. And the peppered soup?
Yes, ma'am.
Now we have to make the fried rice. Where are the spices?
They're here, ma'am.
Okay, let's go. Be fast, be fast.
In every corner of this palace is a palace of unforgettable memories. Though the king's health is unstable, but he still maintains peace in the land.
Thank God. What you are doing?
You, pack that stuff and put it inside that trash can. You're doing something. Look at everywhere is just unkempt. What's wrong with you? You, go and pick that. You leave that thing. Go and pick that. Go and pack everything there. Pack it.
Are you not done yet?
I'm almost done, Your Majesty.
Make sure there's no dust anywhere here.
I've cleaned everything.
And you should try and tidy this place up, then get to the princess room and get it tidied.
Yes, Your Majesty.
Let me not wait for you there.
Okay, Your Majesty.
You wasted so much time here.
In every corner of this palace is a palace of unforgettable memories. Though the king's health is unstable, but he still maintains peace in the land. Also a place where history and beauty reigns period. The girls are always wise. They make the right choice for the people.
You're wasting time. Be fast.
Chief Guard.
Yes, my queen.
I want you to call the Igba people, the musicians. Call them here. They have to be here by now. I want everywhere set before my son and my daughter gets here. Okay? Everywhere should be clean. Go and make the call immediately.
Yes, my queen. Ah, hello. Eh? Oh, you are early.
And you girls should make sure this garden is clean. Pick up every paper and get the plates ready, well set.
Because I don't want to miss out.
Get to the kitchen and make sure you fix it. Check it for the spices. Fast, tell it. Yes, ma'am.
You go wait.
Oh no. They're getting everywhere.
Yes. I can't miss out any of the activities.
My head is your
Greetings, our queen. I can see everybody is bubbling. I'm telling you.
I can't wait to see my son and my daughter.
Oh no. Oh no. Well, I don't want to miss out. Let's go to His Majesty.
Let us go. Let's go. Let's go. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. I should make it out.
Welcome, my elder.
My elders, you can see we have enough to drink. Today marks the beginning of open doors. When my sons returns, they have going to have a bountiful blessing in this kingdom. That is hope.
Igwe, from the look of things, it appears the gods are finally smiled on us. Yes. It's a beginning of new things to happen. This land must flourish.
Hey! Oh, no. Indeed, Your Highness. We have waited too long for this glorious day.
Wonderful. Guards.
Your Highness.
Go and tell Chibuki and Amara to load us with more bushmates.
That's good. When I'm complaining that my stomach is paining me, it's paining me.
Oh no. Igwe, it has been a very long time since I last tasted bushmeat like this.
You can say that again.
This friendship, not forever, not forever. This our friendship, not forever. Hold my hands, I hold your hands. You'll be my joy forever. This friendship, not forever, not forever. This our friendship, not forever. Hold my hands, I hold your hands. You'll be my joy forever. Child. My palm wine, Gladys, the heart of the people. Your bushy meat gives them taste of sweetness. My palm wine, Gladys, the heart of the people. Your bushy meat gives them taste of sweetness. This friendship, not forever, not forever.
You both, the king summons you to the palace. Now, bring plenty of palm wine and bushmeat. It's very urgent. You are both needed for the royal ceremony.
He has stolen the heart of the king, and the heart of the people with its special wine. He has stolen the heart of the king, and the heart of the people with its special wine. Its special wine he has stolen the heart of the king, and
wait,
the
let me
heart
come.
of the people with its special wine. You are blessed by the gods. With this, you have found favor in the eyes of the king.
Honestly, my queen, I can't wait to be called.
My queen, Mom, I'll be right back. See, you all have to hurry up. We need to get everything done before the king arrives.
The daughter have taken over the palace. The way she gives instructions, wow, it's quite intelligent.
I can see that, my dear.
She's beautiful, intelligent, elegant. And she has it all.
You can't say that again. You know, my angel, she's born to be royal.
I can see it. And she will soon become one.
I pray so.
I'm so happy for her.
Be in-laws very soon.
You trained her well.
Well, and she learned very well.
You did a great job. I'll give you that.
Thank you.
Your Majesty, the prince has arrived.
My son is here?
Yes,
you can say that
Wow.
again.
Yes, that's wonderful.
My son is here.
Woo!
In every corner of this palace is a palace of unforgettable memories. Though the king's health is unstable, but he still maintains peace in the land. Also a place where history and beauty reign superior. The girls are always wise. They make the right choice for the people. In every corner of this palace is a palace of unforgettable memories. Though the king's health is unstable, but he still maintains peace in the land. Also a place where history and beauty reign superior. The girls are always wise. They make the right choice for the people.
time I had this meal was when Governor visited our town. Don't blame me.
Can I get everybody's audience? So, Father, you actually pranked me just to bring me down here.
My prince, you need to see how your father acted this thing. He faked everything, no? He rehearsed it for days. And to the extent that he collapsed, all of us rushed. Your father is a wonderful actor.
Mother, is this true? Your father nearly gave me a heart attack. I didn't even know that he was faking it. That was too much. And very expensive too.
My princess, you know I'm proud of both of you. If not for that young man, Chibuki, I don't think I would have been here with you. His palm wine and the stories he do tell me at times is the reason why I'm here.
Mother, who is this young man Father speaks highly of?
Chibuki is one of the best palm wine tappers in town. But what I don't know is what that palm wine has to do with your father, that he claims heals him whenever he's sick.
So why is he not here with us, dining and enjoying with us? Where is he? I would like to meet him.
We didn't invite him for this. Maybe when he comes around the palace, I will introduce him to you.
Chibuki.
Yes, Your Majesty.
Go and fetch Chibuki. Tell him to come immediately. It's all right.
It was when Governor visited our town.
Test and confirm.
This tastes so good. This is so fresh.
Can say that again.
Sis, you should have a taste of this, please. Try
Really?
it. Yeah.
Okay.
You don't have to. There's nothing special about that palm wine. It will just be as low as his life is. I don't think you should. We have red wine and, you know.
Taste a trial will convince you.
It actually tastes so good. Like I've not tasted anything this nice in a long while. Really?
Who is this?
Mota woke, mota wine. I have a noria. Napo, Nampo, Neke. Yeah, when Yakaka, a woman can come. Can't cook
So, what is your name?
My name is Chibuki, my princess.
Please, promise me you will always bring this wine to the palace.
Yes, I will. I will, my princess. I like it a lot.
I love it.
Chibuki,
my prince.
Since my sister likes the taste of your palm wine, and I want you to do something for me, can you please always bring this fresh palm wine for my dear sister here in her chambers? Just you alone, without the maids, without the guards.
Yes,
just
my
you.
Prince. Yes, my prince.
That's good of you. Now, Chibuki,
my king,
whatever instructions has given to you, do not hesitate to carry them out. He is the crown prince of this kingdom.
I object to your majesty. You see, Chibuki is a homeboy. He enjoys the comfort of his house. Very, very comfortable. So, and besides, he is not equal to you.
Oh no.
It tastes so good. Just like mom's.
Really?
No.
Did you make it?
Oh no, whose daughter did?
It's my daughter. In fact, she had inspiration from Angel that showed her what the KFC people in USA, what they used to spice their meat.
Can you call her for me?
Okay, yo, my princess.
Wow. You like it? It tastes good. I love it.
I know you like it. Ah, my daughter. Oh, my daughter.
You say you should taste it, right?
Are you scared? Your father is here. Your father is here. You have nothing to be afraid of.
It's spicy, but it's not.
Can I get a glass?
Please come this way.
Amara.
Oh, my daughter. It's time for us to leave now.
Dad, but I want to play more.
You will see more of her when I become the king.
What's your name? My name is Olwedo. Bye.
Take care. Amara.
I remember you. Dad, she looks so familiar.
Seems you've forgotten her face. Both of you used to play those days when you were around.
Amara.
Yes, Amara.
My God. I cannot believe this. Amara, this is you? Oh, I've missed you so much.
Thank you, my princess. Thank you.
No. I cannot believe this. My God. Oh. It's good to see you. Good to see you too.
to see you again.
I cannot take this anymore. Excuse me.
Amara! Amara, what's wrong with you, Amara? Amara! Amara, open the door, open the door! Amara!
What was that nonsense all about? What was that embarrassment all about? What are you trying to do?
The children are friends, so I see no reason to this issue here.
I saw it all. The talking, the smiling, the looking, and everything. I saw it.
I need to be alone now. Please, can you excuse me? I want to be left alone.
Can you believe it? The prince will never marry Mona Lisa. She will keep crying. Hey, God.
I heard Onowu's daughter is the perfect match for him. True now. They will look great together. I can't wait to see them married. Hey.
Walk across. Very nice.
So, tell me, what is it that you know that I don't? The way you're smiling, I can't comprehend it.
It's nothing. Just that... Don't worry. It's nothing.
Sweet and wine enter the brain. Up a cup in Maya. When you drink his palm wine, you go forget all your sorrow. Kola, palm wine tapa, mananga bubo natalachi. 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 You have stolen the heart of the king, and the heart of the people with its special palm wine. You have stolen the heart of the king, and the heart of the people.
Oh, wow. Your Highness, this is your sir. Oh, wow. This is where you walk to?
Yes, my princess. This is my bar.
You mean this is where you sell your bushmeat?
Yes.
You can come in. You can come in.
Sure. By the gods, with this you have found favor in the eyes of the king. Oburamadu Amereya, Okwachi Mereya. Ine tengu karaka, Angolamambo, 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 Wagamaka, Angolamambo, Tempu karaka, Angolamambo, Tempu karaka, Angolamambo, 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 Wagina Hobori, Angolamambo, Wagina Meadow, Angolamambo, Angolamambo. Because of your power, I can forget all my sorrow.
Oh, I see you again.
Soon.
Are you sure?
Bye.
He has stolen the heart of the king, and the heart of the people with its special palm wine. With its special palm wine, he has stolen the heart of the king, and the heart of the people with its special palm wine.
Mama.
Chibuki.
Memo.
Mama. You're welcome.
Yes, Mama. Mama.
Hey. Oh, Panukobia. No.
Your Highness, you're both welcome, my dear. We are honored. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
You're welcome, my highness.
Hey.
My princess.
It's our pleasure. And you look so beautiful.
Thank you, my princess.
What is your name?
Chetachi.
And you also have a beautiful name.
Thank you, my princess.
Thank you, my
Highness. Thank you so much, Your Highness. I am so grateful. I appreciate you. I am so honored. Thank you. Thank you very much.
It's okay. Can I have a word with you? Aside.
Hello, Father. We just dropped them off right now. Yes. Amara is doing good. Okay, Father, we are coming.
This friendship, not forever. It's our friendship, not forever. Hold my hands, you'll be my joy forever. This friendship, not forever. It's our friendship, not forever. Hold my hands, you'll be my joy.
Indeed, God works in a mysterious way. I didn't know that when he created Solomon and gave him wisdom, he reserved some power.
Oh no, Madam. Indeed, the God themselves have a plan.
The gods are wise.
Yes, they are wise.
What is happening? What is going on? See, Your Majesty, what if he hits me? What if he prefers her to me?
It's not possible. Calm down. My son is yours. So don't bother yourself. Everything will be fine.
It doesn't look like it. Where did he go with her? Why did he have to live with her? Why? Mommy, say something. I cannot do this.
My angel, we really have to. We need to move now.
Mom, we need to go.
We'll return back tomorrow.
He's here. My prince, come, what's going on? Come. We need to. Wait. Did he just walk out on me? What just happened? Mom, did he walk out on me?
Just calm down. Calm down, my son is not in a good mood. I'll talk to him.
No, that's not true. That's not what happened. I cannot do this anymore. I need to go. Oh my goodness.
It's better you talk to me. My daughter is not in her good mood now. Please, just talk to yourself to behave.
Why are you smiling?
After that, you see.
Don't worry, I'll tell you when we get to the house.
You have to wait till we get to the house for you to.
Yes.
Alright.
So tell me, do you really like Amara?
Says, what makes you say that?
I saw it in my vision. The day we drank palm wine.
My sister division, yeah. So what about you? Do you like Chibuki? Because I see the way you play around him.
I can't really say, honestly. Stop changing the topic. I'm asking you again. What do you think about Amara? Because I see the way you look at her.
Amara. I'm very comfortable around her. Yeah, I feel I'm attracted to her.
That is love. That is love. Really? Who is that?
It's me, the chief guard.
Come in.
My prince, my princess, the king wants to see you.
Tell him we are coming.
Tell him we will soon join him.
Okay.
We don't know what we want this time.
But it's okay. Let's go.
Wait. Don't you think you should take that off? We're going to see that.
Oh, my princess, my prince, are we all in conformity?
Yes.
Tell me, what is going on between you and Nollywood's daughter?
Nothing is going on between I and Nollywood's daughter, Your Highness. We are just childhood friends.
There's nothing intimate between both of you?
No, Your Highness. Such a thing never existed between us.
Are you telling me the truth?
Yes, Your Highness. That is my truth.
Son, Mona Lisa is here to see you.
Not again. Mom, there's nothing to discuss with Mona Lisa. I keep telling you this.
I grew that girl for you. So you must settle with her.
Mom, I can't settle with who my heart does not want. I don't love her. It can't work between me and her.
I don't care what you think your heart belongs to. I groomed that girl for you. And you can't stand here and tell me that your heart does not belong to her. Bring your heart back and go back to this girl.
Mom, does my opinion not matter anymore in this
It
relationship?
does not matter in this situation. You must marry that girl. She's beautiful, elegant. What else do you want?
Fine.
Go and talk to her.
Fine, I'll talk to her.
That's my son. Go. Beautiful. Let's go. That's my son. My handsome son.
Yes.
Meet Mona Lisa, your childhood friend.
Hi, Mona Lisa.
Hi, Prince.
How are you doing?
I'm very well, thank you.
You look all grown up now, Mona Lisa.
Thank you.
Son, could it be possible you take her out for you to have a little stroll?
That's fine. Be my guest.
We doesn't get to know each other.
is so cool.
My prince, please. You can't possibly say that. Have you forgotten how we used to travel? Jim, do everything together, how we used to shop. Please, I love you. I love you so much. You cannot say that to me.
Listen, Mona Lisa. All this happened in the past. A whole lot has changed right now. My heart belongs to someone else, and the person is not you. I can't marry you, Mona Lisa. Please, understand me, please.
What did you just say? Your heart belongs to someone else?
Yes, Mona Lisa.
Honey, please, look, we can work something out. I understand it's the distance, the timing. Please, you will get to start loving me again. Don't do this to me.
A lot has changed, Mona Lisa.
You're going to shatter my whole heart. I cannot
Mona
deal
Lisa, I
with
can't
this.
love you anymore. My heart rests with someone else. Please.
Don't do this to me. I love
please
you.
understand. Please, Mona Lisa.
I love you.
Excuse me.
You can't do this. I love you.
Son, you must marry Mona Lisa. I don't care what you think. You can't tell me that after this girl waited all these years for you and you're just trying to tell me? Tell me what? You must marry this girl.
Mother, I see no reason why you keep feeding Mona Lisa with lies, giving her false hope that we're going to become a couple. You know fully well I don't love this girl. My heart rests with someone else. You know all this.
I don't care who your heart rests with. You must love that girl.
Enough.
And you must marry her.
Enough! Allow him to make his choice. No one imposes a decision on a crown prince of Umumosi.
Mother, is this why you asked me to return back?
You must marry that girl. Did you hear me? You must marry that girl! You're my son, for Christ's sake. Your Highness.
I'm sorry I ignored you for so long. But Chibuki, what did the king tell you about me?
Your Highness, may I ask why you want to know?
Chibuki, my son. I want Amara for the prince.
Your Highness, this is great. I am so happy for her. I am really so happy for her. This is wonderful.
Now listen, I want this discussion to be between both of us. No third party should hear about it. Did I make myself clear?
Yes, Your Majesty. I promise to keep it a secret.
No wonder you hid it from me all along. I'm sorry I misunderstood you.
Amara, do you like the prince?
Oh no.
Igwe, the only thing left now is what the eyes of the gods said. They instructed that a message awaits us when the prince returns.
Let all the king's men gather and summon the chief priest to come immediately.
Igwe.
Oh no. So you knew what the king wanted all along and you never said anything?
But I told you. What I had was too heavy for my mouth to utter.
I know. I know what you heard. I don't like the connection between my son and your daughter. Oh no.
Ugobese.
What is your connection with that boy called Chibuki?
Nothing yet. I really do not know, but he seems like a nice person.
I don't care what you think or what he seems like, but I want you to disconnect and cancel anything that you have to do with that boy. That boy is a palm wine tapper. You're subject, for Christ's sake.
I don't get you. You know what, Mom? I really do not have anything to say. But if my heart wants him, don't you think that his status shouldn't matter?
Your heart will never want him.
Chetachi,
Yes, brother.
I have finally told Amara the truth.
Brother?
She apologized.
Really? So, what next?
Well, I am happy for her. She is good. She deserves the best.
Of course, brother, you did. My son.
Mama.
When will you bring your wife home to me? Eh? Yeah.
Very soon. Very soon, Mama. Very soon you will have your grandchildren as you have always desired.
What?
Very soon you will see them running around this compound and playing with you. Mana haya angubu ginara, Mama. Haya angubu ginara.
Hanguba, eh?
Haya angu.
No, give me ala no.
Ada go.
Go this year. Hanguba no, oh, biko.
Ademma, Mama. Mama.
Prince of our great lands, your mission of returning home is for you to get married. Same thing happened to your father when your grandfather was sick. He had to get married. Only then did his health improve. Ask your father, the king of our great land. He will confirm it. You can't cheat the gods.
It is true, my son. That is something I never told you. When I was young, studying abroad, my father, your grandfather, was sick. And I was called back home to get married. The moment I came back, I got married. He was healed. Yes, he was healed of his affirmities. And the same fate awaits you now. So get married and then I shall.
And good enough, he has a beautiful wife, Mona Lisa, here for him. A very beautiful princess.
Chief priest, so what are the necessary requirements?
All the necessary rites must be fulfilled.
God. My prince,
Yes, Father.
And my princess, did both of you remember the discussion I had with you on the day of your arrival?
Yes, Father. I remember.
Chibuki,
Your Highness.
do you remember the discussion I had with you in my private chamber?
Yes, Your Highness. I do remember.
Amara,
My king.
do you remember the discussion I had with you on the day we strolled out?
Yes, Your Majesty.
Amara, would you like to get married to my prince? The Crown Prince of Musa Kingdom?
I will, my king.
Chibuki,
Your Majesty.
would you like to get married to my princess and I make you my son?
I will, Your Highness.
I agree.
So you knew that my husband wanted Amara hand in marriage all this while. And you went ahead sleeping, kissing, doing all those abominable acts with her? Really?
No, Your Majesty. I am really sorry, but my relationship with Amara has nothing to do with emotions.
I am aware of their friendship.
What?
I am aware of their friendship and I think I'm okay with it.
Wait, just ordinary love. Just love.
Yes, Father. I will marry Amara and I will make her the queen of this kingdom.
No! No, this is not right. This wasn't the agreement. This was what you promised me, my Majesty.
My queen, this is something.
No.
Just friendship. Why not? Why? You don't come to a trailer.
I heard the queen telling Lady Eunice that the king told you no, that the princess is going to get married to a Chibuki.
So I've been deceiving myself all time long. All alone, cooking dreams, all in vain.
I told you that when the time is right, the gods will reveal the answers to all your questions.
So you are aware of all this while? And you never bothered to tell me your love. You kept me in the dark.
What should I have told you? The king's big secrets. Come on, I'm never going to do that. Besides, I only heard the queen telling Lady Eunice on the phone. That's how I got to hear about the king's secrets.
Oh, I see. There might be other secrets yet unrevealed. So, my love, tell me. What is the other?
There is no other secrets. I told you everything I knew.
Are you sure there are no others?
Yes.
You may now kneel down.
The gods have sinned. Bless this union. May peace, love, and fidelity abound.
I, Igwe, Ekwedike the first of Umumisiaku Kingdom. I bless these amazing souls to the friend throne. Princess Aledo to Chibuki. And my prince, fine boy, Amara. It shall be well with all of you. You shall all be fruitful. Go and multiply. You may rise.
this palace is a palace of unforgettable memories. Though the king's health is unstable, but he still maintains peace in the land.